Hey everybody, let's get started. So just like our previous nail video, I want to go ahead and rough up my nail bed. Now, just word of advice, I already got a manicure the night before, so I'm just going ahead and going on to the next step. So I'm taking a nail file and then also my nail buffer, as you guys can see, and I'm using this to really rough up my nails. The reason why you want to do that is not required, but you should do it, is to help really make sure that glue adheres to the nails. So this is the nail set that I'm using. I'm very excited about it. I'm taking my nail glue and I'm applying it all over the nail. Now this one came with the kit, but you could use any nail glue you want. After that, I'm taking the nail, this is for my pinky, so I'm taking my pinky press on nail and I'm just putting it on. You also see me use this rolling method. That's to ensure that the glue and the nail is really adhering to each other. So this is going to be in a consistent loop because we use the same method for the rest of the nail set. So as you guys saw, I put on the glue. Now I'm putting on the nail. I'm using that rolling method. Word of advice, just in case you haven't watched my previous nail video, and I'll put that somewhere in the description box as well as have it pop up in the video. You really want to make sure that you do your thumbs last. The reason why is because you need your thumb, as you guys see me using that, really to make sure that it's on, like the nail and the glue is really adhering to each other. If you go ahead and put the thumbs on first, it could be a little bit of a distraction and you might be at a little bit of a disadvantage. So just go ahead and do the thumbs last. Another thing that I want to tell you guys is if you guys did not do a manicure, that's perfectly okay. Along with, after you rough up your nail bed, you see this wooden stick inside the kit. You want to use that to help push back your cuticles. It's very important because you don't want to apply a press-on nail on top of some cuticles that has not been pushed back, because it could really mess up your application. This is optional, you don't have to do it. I'm taking my UV lamp and I'm just going to go ahead and set my hand underneath there. So remember, I did everything but my thumb, and this just really just helps ensure that the glue and the nail adheres to one another, and it also helps, in my opinion, prolong my wear for the press-on nail set. This is also optional, like my middle finger, that nail was a little bit too big for me, so you could always reshape it by just taking a nail file and shaping it to your preference. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next hand. Again, we're using the same method. Apply the glue, apply the nail, really do that roll-on method to make sure that they stick together and that it's really on and stuck. And then after that, move on to the next nail until you get down to the thumbs, and then you're going to go ahead and put that underneath the lamp as well, if you so happen to choose so. Oh, one more thing that I forgot to tell you guys, and I don't think I told you guys in the first video. When you're doing a press-on nail set, whether it's Kiss, this is a custom-made set by Hyper Beauty. I will tag them, they're amazing, in the description box below. Make sure that your nails don't come in contact with any water for about 5 hours or so. If you could do this before you go to bed, that's even better. The reason why is because the quicker that you put it underneath the water, you're just running a risk of the nail glue kind of breaking down, and then you don't want your press-on nails to pop off. So that's just another word of advice as well. Try to stay away from the water for a few hours. So now we're applying the thumbs, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and take turns for each hand going under the UV ray lamp. And this again is just to make sure, this is optional, you don't have to. This, in my opinion, helps prolong the wear for my press-on nail set. Before we finish with this tutorial, I'm taking my Cuticle Oil. This came with my nail set, and I'm taking a Q-tip. Now the Q-tip normally doesn't come with the set, so I'm putting this on the Q-tip and I'm going along the perimeter of my nails, normally where my cuticles are. This is just to help soften up, keep those cuticles soft, and also just to help really give your finished press-on nail set a really polished look. You really want to go for to where they look professionally done and people can't tell the difference that you did it yourself. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some form of moisturizer. So this is a hand cream, and I'm just applying it all over my hands. And then once I finish this, I am all set. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Go ahead and follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at the username LOVEROFSHADES. You can also check out my blog, LOVEROFSHADES.com, where I cover all things beauty, all things travel. Let me know if you guys would like any other future tutorials and on what subjects, and I will make sure to deliver that for you guys. But have a happy holiday. This is my holiday nail set, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Love you so much, and take care. Bye.